Hello guys, in this video I will show you real quick how to load your ABC proxy. Alright, how to load your ABC proxy and also how to generate IP after loading your ABC proxy. Okay, so first things first, you have to come to the website abcproxy.com. Alright, so when you come to abcproxy.com, you see something like this. If you don't have an account, you have to create an account. Alright, so if you have an account, you just log in. So let me show you real quick. Alright, so first thing you do is click on this menu icon. Okay, once you click on this menu icon, you are going to see stuff like this. Alright, if you already have an account, you will see this. You will see your email address and the rest here. Okay, and the username there. So what you do is this: you click on your email address. Alright, click on it at the bottom down here. So once you are here, it will bring you to this page. Alright, once it brings you to this page, all you are going to do is click on this other menu icon. Okay, click on the menu icon and you will see this. You scroll down till you see my account. Okay, till you see my account. This is my account here, my accounts. Click on my accounts. So once you click on my accounts, what you are going to see, you are going to see this page. Alright, so you are going to see this page. So if you bought the CD key from me, what you do is this: I will give you the code. You just come here and paste it inside this box and then you hit on confirm. Okay, paste the code here and then click on confirm. So once you have done that, it will show you successful. Okay, once it shows you successful, you are done from there. So the next thing you are going to do is this. Next thing you are going to do is where is it? You click on, so this part we are talking about loading the, what's it called, loading the gigabyte plan. Alright, so what you're going to do is you click on this residential proxies. Click on residential proxies. Once you click on residential proxies, it will take you to this page. Alright, it will bring you to this page. Okay, so you are going to see stuff like this. So what you are going to do is this: click on this get proxy here, get proxy. Click on this, click on get proxy, and you take it to where you are going to generate your IP. Alright, so now once you are on the page, this is where you can see I already have like 0.6 gig here. Alright, I have 0.6 gig here, 0.62 gigabytes. That's my current what's it called plan. So you are going to generate first. Now let us select the country. So let's say I'm trying to connect to the UK, Britain. Okay, you select Britain. Then there are two methods. Alright, you can either generate proxy based on the city, based on the state and city, or based on the ISP. You can see here, based on states or based on ISP. Alright, so if you are going to generate based on the state, like you are going to generate based on the state right now, let us see. So the IP mode is going to be, I like sticky. Let's go with sticky. Then the highest you can see here, right, it can last for 120 minutes, right? So let's pick the highest. Okay, let's pick the highest, 120 minutes. Then leave every other setting as it is. Then you scroll down, you select the city, the states, England, the city. Let's go with London. This is the capital. Where is London? I have to scroll. See where I'm at. It's not enough far. Okay, I've selected city of London. Alright, then look at my password and username, sub accounts. You can create sub accounts, right? Maybe you have two accounts you are going to be using. You can create sub accounts for each other, for everyone. As you can see, this is one of my accounts here. So you can create or create users. Alright, you can create users by clicking on this button. These are the users that I have. Okay, so once you are done, you've selected everything. Alright, you scroll down and then you hit on generate. Okay, so it's going to give you the IP. Alright, it's going to give you your IP. So you scroll down here. There are two ways to get your IP into, let's say if you are using anti-tech browser, you just have to copy this. Okay, if you are using anti-detect browser, you just have to copy this, alright, and paste it in your port or in the host part, alright. Then you click on check, everything will just set up on its own. But since you are not using anti-detect browser, what you are going to do is this: you copy everything right here, right? You click on copy and paste it somewhere. Then you see this part. You see this part from this NA down to where this VIP, alright, that is the what's it called, the host or the IP, depending on the site, the IP, the software you are using. Okay, this is the host, alright. Then this 9050, this 4950, right? This right here is the what's it called, is the port. Okay, then the one following down to the next semicolon, right? From, let's say, from here down to where, here, this is the what, the what's it called, the username, and then this is the password. Okay, so all of them are separated by a semicolon. As you can see, let me show you how you get to know this. So this is the format you are using. Okay, this is the format. You see the format is host name, then port, then username, then password. Okay, so wherever you see this semicolon in between in the IP that is generated, that means is the next part. Okay, the first thing you're going to see is host name. Then if you see this semicolon, all right, is this semicolon or colon? Okay, this is colon. I don't sabi anything. Okay, you click on it. If you see it on this colon, all right, then the next one is going to be the port, then the next one is going to be the username, then the next one is going to be the password. Okay, then what you do is this: you separate them, copy them, paste them somewhere. Let us paste them on my, let's paste them here. Okay, so now let us separate everything. This first part is the username and what is the port, right? Then the second part is the username. Okay, but as you can see, this first part is what, the host, this one is the port, this is the username, and then this is the password. So what you're going to do is you are going to paste everything in your IP app. Okay, let's go. Like I said before, if you are using Bit browser or any anti-detect browser, you don't have to go through this stress. All you have to do is just paste it, all right, and that will be all. Okay, let's go and paste it on our tune to tap. Okay, I'm going to use tune to tap for this tutorial. Okay, in your tune to tap, you see this spots. In the tune to tap, you can see that this spot, this process, what's it called, this source part is for both the proxy, both the host and the what's the other name, and the port. All right, so what you're going to do is this: you paste the, where is the host? Okay, this is the host. All right, then plus the port. Okay, then you put the colon in between them. Okay, just like they did in the example. Then you come down to the other, click on this authentication. Okay, click on the authentication and paste the username, and the password. Okay, okay, so once you input everything, what you're going to do next is this: you just go to connect, hit on connect, and wait for it to connect. All right, so once it has connected, the next thing you do is go to hoa.net and try to load the IP. All right, check whether the IP is connected. Okay, interrupted barrel. you know connect. Okay, now we are connected. So let us reload Jua.net again. Load now.